Nicole. We are going over some homeowner questions, frequently asked questions, and while Damien usually does these videos, he is in the field today, so I am here in the office and I'm going to answer the questions that I can answer. Today's question is, if I replace my heat pump, do I have to replace the furnace too? So the short answer to that is no. I mean, we can replace either just the indoor unit or just the outdoor unit, but we don't like to do that. And I'm going to tell you why we recommend against it. So to get the best possible operation from your heat pump system, to actually get the best possible what this system was designed for while they were testing it in the manufacturing facility, the systems need to be matched. If you're concerned about energy efficiency, and you should be, or if you're, trying to qualify for utility rebates, that system is going to need to be a verified AHRI matched system. If you're looking at replacing your heat pump and your indoor unit is more than 3 to 5 years old, it's very, very unlikely, virtually impossible, that we are going to be able to find a heat pump that matches with that indoor unit. Warranty is another factor to consider. Some manufacturers will limit the amount of time that they will honor their warranty if the system is not matched up. There's also a lot of other small costs that go into a heat pump installation that maybe you're not considering, like permitting, mandatory duct tests, the labor time that it takes our shop to check in the equipment from the distributor, load it onto the vans, the time that it takes our office to set up that job, the time, there's just a lot of small little costs that go into an installation in order to do it the right way, the best way. You might think that you're saving money by only replacing one piece of equipment now, but in the long run, if you're looking at replacing your heat pump this year and then maybe waiting until your furnace goes down, you could end up paying actually more in the long run. So we do recommend that you replace both pieces at the same time. So it's not saying that you can't, because you can. We can achieve heating and cooling by replacing the pieces of equipment at separate times. However, you're not going to get the best possible operation if you do it that way. So anytime an outdoor unit fails and it is maybe beyond its lifespan and we're looking at pushing more towards replacing than repairing, maybe it's not worth the cost of a repair, we are going to recommend that you replace both the indoor unit and the outdoor unit at the same time to guarantee we can get a matched system, to guarantee that you're going to get the best possible operation and you're going to get the most bang for your buck if you replace both of them at the same time.